Alright, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to Just Fly, where we do as the name suggests, we just fly. Today we are flying at a river. I've done a few videos before here. And there's a ferry out in the water. And there's some cool bulldozers making a dam, so I thought it would be a perfect day to fly. So we're good to take off. Turn this up. I'm going to do a manual takeoff.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, do a little spin. Cool. Looks like everything's good. Fly really low to the ground. Out over the water until I can get myself situated. Alright, so it looks like we're out over the water now. I'm going to stop the GoPro. Okay, that's done. And sorry you guys can't see, I'm not doing the GoPro. I only charged it enough to do an intro. Okay, let's check some of this stuff out. I think I might take it up to about 100 feet. And this little rock, this little bar, is what they're working on. Alright, can I make this just a little bit darker for you guys? There we go. That looks good. Look, a freaking bulldozer out in the middle of the river, which is really interesting. And there in the middle of the screen is the ferry. I'm running a little low on controller battery. I got about 1.5 bars, which is pretty bad, so maybe not the best connection. Look at this guy. What is... Like, imagine that. You put rocks out in the middle of the river. That would be super interesting. Alright, we'll fly upstream a bit. Take it up to 150, I think. So, super interesting. Never seen that before. And the video where we were kayaking, I don't know if you guys saw that or not. We launched down there where that little green island is. Here, we'll actually fly down to there. There's a little inlet probably in the middle of the screen right now. That creek. We launched right ahead of that, right there. So, pretty cool. Alright. We'll come back around. Some really cool islands and stuff. But this little bar coming across the river, that's super interesting. There's this guy. Look at all the dirt he's creating from moving the stones in the river. It's super neat. Never saw this before. Alright, aircraft signal interference. Super interesting. There's a couple of different equipment things down here. And then there's the ferry that takes cars on the other side of the river.
I'm surprised it's so shallow that those machines can move around the water.
Yeah, that would be up to like an average sized male, like probably up to his ankles or something. I mean, it is shallow. You can see all the ripples. Man, there's the ferry. That's kind of neat. Looks like you got like bunch of private docks over here too, with airboats and stuff. My gosh. That's interesting. There's another ferry, but it's over. Actually, here, we'll fly over to that. It's on the land. It's right over there. I don't know when the ferry's gonna launch, but that would be cool to get it coming across the river. I couldn't set up fast enough. It docked right before I did the intro, which is kind of sad. I don't see or hear. I don't think I hear the drone. I'm in a loud area. But here's the other ferry. It's gray. It's right. It has a white roof. It's in the middle of the screen. I don't know what's wrong with it. But it's back behind that tree. But yeah, over here is where we launched our kayaks and stuff for the other kayaking video. So pretty neat. And I'm right in front of this huge complex. So pretty neat. Then we'll come back over to this guy where all the attention is. I've never seen this before. I haven't really paid close attention to this bar. I mean, you can see how shallow the water is in front of it, where we are, and all the ripples in the water, but then back behind it looks like a river. I mean, it looks like a lake. It's like flowing. It's not as fast-paced. That'd be cool to walk out on this bar, though. I don't think you can, but look at all that dirt in the water. That's really interesting. We're having great connection, though. 17 satellites and full bars. So I don't know if they took a break for lunch or something, but it doesn't look like the ferry's being used right now. I don't know when they're gonna dock. But then across the river, all the way over there, is where the other dock is for the ferry. So it doesn't go just around the river in here. It actually goes one side. You can stay on and go to the other side. So pretty interesting. Oh. Wow, this is pretty, with all the islands and stuff. Those green things, it looks like grass just floating in the river. Those aren't really full islands. Water still flows through them. There's some kind of plant. It's a bit thicker. It's like grassy, but it's definitely thicker. It's weird. I don't know how to describe it. Really interesting how they have these water outlets here. Looks really cool. So 2,900 feet out. We're about over a half mile off the away. I don't know if you would say off the shore or not, but yeah, back over here in this little town over here, that's where the ferry docks. I think that's the dock right there, actually. Looks like the Bulldozers stopped, but oh, that's pretty. That's really cool. Nice slow pan. But we'll continue back. It's interesting, we've been flying for 9 minutes already. The controller battery hasn't gone down too far. It's still blinking. But it looks like a lake over here. And then it flows a little more on this other side of this barge. A little dam or whatever you want to call it. So really, really pretty, really cool. A reflection of the clouds. It's a bit cloudy. It's a 30% chance of rain right now, and 50% chance in the next hour. You can actually see the ferry. We'll fly up to it. I think the Bulldozers stopped. I don't know why, but that's okay. We'll just fly up to them. We got a couple cool shots. So I think right now I'm going against the wind. I'm not really sure which way the drone's headed. So there's the ferry. There's some equipment. It doesn't look like it docked. I don't know. It's kind of different. And then there's the other equipment over here. Look at that. They're putting rocks into the bucket. That's actually really interesting. I wonder where they're getting them. I want to get another angle of this. This is cool. Look at that. That's so cool. They placed all those rocks into the bucket of it. So where does he go? Is he going to take this little path out, and then he just comes back out over to here? Well, it looks like some of those rocks are right there. I don't know if that's where they're getting them or if that's where they're placing them, but it looks like they might be adding them back over this section, so that's interesting. I don't know where the second bulldozer went. I can't find it. Oh, nope. It's coming back out. Oh, there's the second one. So that one's parked, and then this one's just coming down to get some more rocks. That's really interesting. Never seen that before. Yeah, we'll lose some altitude. We'll take it down to 100 or 50 or something like that, and fly up to it, because I'm super intrigued by this. I've never seen this happen before. Alright, we'll stop at 80 just to be safe. Look at this. This is so weird. That just shows you how shallow it is right now. Last Sunday, it was around 3.5 feet, but that is not 3.5 feet. The rim of his tires aren't even getting wet. You can see that. Just the rubber part of the tires. Super interesting. I wonder if nobody's at the ferry, so they're not going to send it. Yeah, since we lost some altitude, I'll go show you guys the gray ferry. It's back over here. It's on land. I don't know if something's wrong with it or not, but I'm pretty sure the gray one's the older one. I'm not sure though. We're about 41%, 9.5 minutes of flight time left. And then here's the swings and on the riverfront and stuff. So pretty neat. I bet the drone will do a flyby of us, so we'll be able to see us. That'll be cool. I don't think any tree limbs come out that far out of the river. Yeah, but if they do, we'll take it out just a bit more. Alright. That's a bit annoying. Yeah, so this backhoe will actually fly up to him. Really interesting. Oh, 33%. Alright, we'll come up to him and then we'll land. So look at this guy. Huh. Alright, that's cool. We'll fly up to the ferry, then we'll come back. I'm going to take it up to 50. Whoa. Look at that. He just dumped them into the water. Alright, we got some cool action in this video. There you guys go. Hit the like button if you never saw this before. That means this should have a lot of likes. Wow. Okay. Let's make our way back.
Landing.
Alright, it landed. Cool. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next flight. Leave a like, subscribe if you think this is cool. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.